that's where I'm going. I'm going to the dollar store. And I can't really tell if they're open. They should be open. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning. And so this is really what it looks like out. It's rainy. It's gray. It actually feels like an October day as opposed to an April one. So I don't know what to say about that. And it's rare. It's rare that I'm out this time of morning. Anyway. Ow, ow, ow. So that's really about it. And down that block there is one of my favorite stores that I go to, which I can't really get into focus, but anyway. So anyway, my camera is leaking water, so take it light. So Dollar Tree is getting a delivery, which is odd because they only get deliveries on Mondays. They never get it on Thursdays. So this is Thursday. Actually, this is Friday morning. It's after midnight. So that's different. And that's the 18-wheeler that usually comes on Mondays. And then down the street of which we're going is where I usually go to get my midnight snacks. So, like I've said in the past, there is no military out. They talk about the Atlas comet. There's no comet out, at least where we can see it with the naked eye. We cannot see the comet as yet. So it's just like a regular after midnight night. Because even before this pandemic, I would come out and it would be just the same. But we're going to go a little bit down further because I have to go somewhere else before I go to the store. And then we're going to either go to the store, my regular store, or a store that I rarely go to, just because it's in the vicinity of where I'm going. So I don't want to put that on camera. But anyway, so this is what it looks like out here. And I want to stop because I noticed that with my outside feeds that they're really shaky and stuff. So I'm gonna park it here for a second. And I'm making a left pan. And then we're going to come around really quick so nobody thinks that I'm taping them. Actually, that car that was beeping was for me not to show them. So right in front of you, you see White Castle, and I'm not going there. All right, so I'm going to cut it off right now, and then I'll resume. Okay, so here's something I've never ever seen in my entire existence, is a BP that's totally closed. I could not go in for like munchies. I couldn't get in at all. There was a window that was open, and I guess you could pay for your gas that way also if you're not doing credit at the pump. So this is a very large BP. See if I can get a better picture. There are some cars that are parked here, but I guess that's the station manager and stuff. But this place is really closed. Like I said, I've never been to a gas station that is closed like this, of this magnitude. So that's it, and we're just going to do a little pan of the area. Okay, so I'm at the bus stop, and this is the store that I always go in. I love these guys because I can get here at 12 o'clock at night. I've been here sometimes at 2 o'clock in the morning. I can still get a tuna sub and whatever else I need, and I'm in and out, and I'm hoping that they're open. But this is my favorite place to go. And oh my God, they're closed. I don't believe it. Oh my God, they're closed. I really don't believe this. Oh no. Wow, this is really my mainstay. Oh no. This is something completely new. All right. Came out for nothing.